it is day 4 in Phuket, and today we have a change of plans. We were going to have a relaxing day in the hotel, but we've decided we're going to give the buses a go, and we're going to go and spend some time in Patong, and hopefully we can make it back for they have a glow-in-the-dark party at the hotel. So we're going to go and give that a try. How do you colour them? I put colour at home. You're waiting on the bus? So we're trying to research how much the bus is going to cost, and we don't even actually know what it looks like, or even if we're at the right bus stop, right? We're using Google to try and figure out where the bus stop is, but everywhere we've seen online and in person, people are telling us completely different prices for the bus, and so it ranges from 30 baht to 150 baht, and then for a grab for the family it's going to cost 600 baht, but we think that the kids are going to be free on the bus, but yeah, we'll figure out when we find it, I think.
Okay. Yeah.
So we are on the bus, and it is an actual bus. I kind of thought it was going to be one of those tuk-tuk looking things, but yeah, it was 170 baht per adult, and the children were free. We made it! I think it takes a special type of skill to be a bus driver here in Phuket, because those roads were super windy, and he was driving really fast, or well, normal car speed for here anyway. Waiting on the bus, but everyone kept telling us that it was going to be an hour before the next bus would come, so we have decided to catch a different ride.
Natasha, can you catch Summer? We're stuck. Go. Heads up. Smack it.
Smack, smack. Stuck. That's just the worst.
There we are.
Ah!
Stuck again. Ta-da! This is so hot.
Look.
Oh, yeah, there.
Oh, Hello Kitty. There, go Summer, watch it. Summer, look.
Ready? Here it comes.
I love when the sun pokes through the clouds and wakes me up each and every day. I feel so alive and happy. If someone asks me, you're the reason I feel this way. You make everything beautiful. When I think about you, da 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 da, I'm right where I want to be with you. Beneath the candy.
Okay, well that's it for us today. Tomorrow we are having a really chill day. We are going to enjoy the accommodation and all the things it has to offer.
One turn. And two turns.
And then we might be going to the weekend markets, but we're not sure. We want to try and do that this weekend. So show Daddy what you got. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to watch more of our adventures.